In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link using Stripe. Whether you're running an online business or just need to send a payment request to a customer, knowing how to set up a payment link can streamline your financial transactions. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, head over to the Stripe website. You can do this by typing stripe.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you are on Stripe's homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll be directed to a login page where you'll need to enter your account credentials. Type in your email and password and make sure everything is correct before you proceed. Once you've done that, click the Sign In button to access your Stripe dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Home section. This area is essentially your command center where you can view an overview of your account activities and manage different payment features. Once at home, your next task is to focus on the payment options. Look for an option labeled Payments. It should be easy to find, and give it a click. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can manage and create payment links. Once within the payment section, locate and click on Payment Links. This is crucial as it allows you to create a unique link that customers can use to make payments directly. From here, you'll see an option to add product. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll define what your payment link will be in reference to, such as a specific product or service you're offering. Make sure you fill in all the necessary product details because this information will directly affect what your customers see. After filling out the product details, it's time to select some options to customize your payment link. Take a moment to consider what settings best suit your needs. This could range from determining how long the payment link is valid to setting a limit on how many times it can be used. If you require more settings, click on Advanced Options to access additional features. Once you've adjusted all the settings to your liking, it's almost time to finalize everything. Navigate your cursor over to the Pay button, which confirms that you've input everything correctly. After verifying everything, click Create Link. At this point, Stripe generates a unique payment link for you. Finally, click on Payment Link, which will unveil the link you've just created. This link is what you'll share with your customers or clients so they can proceed with their payments, and there you have it. You've successfully created a payment link through Stripe. Always remember to double check your settings to ensure a smooth transaction experience for your users.